Here's a video of my engine compartment heater system all set up. Got the blankets over the cowling, temperature transmitter, and an analog meter indicating it's about 61 degrees. Got a power cord going up to the heater inside the engine compartment. Here's the controller. It says it's 61.7, set point is 40, so the output is going to 0. And we're coming up on about the 400 program scan time, where the xBee chip will wake up and retransmit the temperature again. It happens every 6 minutes. And the power cord goes into a power meter. Move closer and zoom in on that. Keeps track of the cost of keeping the engine compartment warm during the winter time. Cowling lifted. There's the heater element with the cable coming out the bottom. Here's a close-up of the power meter. It's cost me 72 cents so far this winter, and right now, since the heater is off, because the temperature is above set point, I'm only consuming 5.3 watts for the controller to run.